and gentlemen, it's Alpha Wolf here again, and today we're gonna be doing a 1v1, but we're gonna be doing something a little bit different. We're gonna be doing a little challenge called the repair tool. Oh shit, he's coming. And this looks pretty good. I'm getting oh shit, he got me. You got me. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, please make sure to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and spread the word to your friends. Tell them to subscribe and stuff like that. It'll really help a lot. Comment on what else do you want to see, and yeah. Oh, and look for if you want to know our gamer tags, mine is X Alpha 1 Wolf and another X, and my friend here Rolly's, his is Rolly 114 if you want to add him. There we go, I killed him. Está cool esto, no? Where is this guy? Where are you, Rolly? Oh shit, he's coming. Hostile shoulder. And I died. Fuck. Man, I'm sweating again. Digit control makes me sweat. Does your PS4 do that? Does it make your hands sweat? Comment that if it does. Comment if it does. The DualShock 4, the PS4 control. Come over here, bitch. Oh, we killed each other. Oh no, what the hell? He killed me! Holy shit, it looked like if I killed you. Hey, bullshit. See. Oh. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Please like and subscribe for more of these videos. Please comment, like, subscribe.